Having searched more than hundreds of YouTube faceless niches, with AI, finally I found 7 most profitable, less work and no experience required on these niches that would make you more money in 2024. Look up here. Let me show you something, friend.
45,000 views on this video on one of my Faceless YouTube channels, and I got 500,000 views on another video from a completely different Faceless YouTube channel. Now you'd think that the 500,000 view video made 10 times more than the 45,000 view video, right? 10 times more views should equal 10 times more dollars earned. Wrong. The 500,000 view video made me $920, while the 45,000 view video made me $641. Okay, so yes, the 500,000 view video made more money, but not 10 times more. So why is that? It's because of the niche of each of the Faceless YouTube channels. Now the 500,000 view video
the 500K views plus is a gaming channel has CPM of $3.99, which is the amount YouTube charge advertisers per 1,000 AIDS views, and the ERPM of $1.85, the amount YouTube pay him, content creator per 1,000 views. While the 45K views channel is the personal development channel, which has a CPM of $51.51, which amount YouTube charge advertisers per 1,000 ads views, and it has RPM of $14, the amount YouTube pay him, the content creator per 1,000 views. So from know, you will know why it is very important to choose the best niches. I'm going to use 2 major criteria to classify these niches today, which would be based on earnings potential of the niche and ease of the video creation. Niches, number 7, is self-improvement. Self-improvement has ease of the video creation of 6 out often. Earnings potential of 6.5 out of 10. Let's take a look at J Wisdom, which is one of the channels in this niche, having 65K subscriber, monthly estimate earnings potential of $1,000. Niche number 6 today is Psychological Facts. Ease of the video creation of 9 out of 10, earnings potential of 5 out of 10, and average score of 7 out of 10. One of the channel's examples from this niche is Top Think. It has over 2 million plus subscriber, monthly estimate earnings potential of $5,000. Niches number 5 is Health and Wellness. Ease of the video creation 9 out of 10. Earnings potential of 6/10, and average score of 7/10. Body Hub is one, the channel's examples from this niche. Let's take a look at it. Body Hub have over 1.4 million subscriber, having estimate monthly potential earnings of $7.07. Niches number 4 here today is History and Stories. History has ease of video creation of 8 out of 10, earnings potential of 8 out of 10, and average score of 8 out of 10. Alternate History Hub examples of channel from this niche look. It has about 2 million subscribers, having 10K monthly earnings potential. Niche No 3. Book Summary. Book Summary have ease of video creation of 10/10. Earnings potential of 7 out of 10 and average score of 8.5 out of 10. Escaping Ordinary represent one of the channel's examples from this niche. Escaping Ordinary has over 1.1 million subscriber. Look at it video and earnings potential of $4.03 per month. Niche No 2 here today is Business Stories. Business Stories has ease of the video creation of 8 out of 10, earnings potential of 9 out of 10, and average score of 8.5 out of 10. Company Man and Magnet Media are of the channel's examples from this niche. Let's take a look at Magnet Media. Those channel estimate monthly potential earnings of $8.07 to $26,000.
And finally, niche number 1 on the list is AI news and updates. With perfect 10s across the board in earnings potential and ease of video creation with an average score of 10 out of 10. Let's look at the AI grid. They earn up to $19.2 thousand